All right, today we're routing a kitchen sink. Just gonna give you a little preview of how you should set it up to protect the customer's sink and make cleanup a lot easier for yourself. So what you do, you use your pad here, the absorbent pad. You use newspaper, block off all the splash areas. Sometimes in the back you can just tear a little hole in the paper and put it around the water lines to protect any porous surfaces, especially drywall or older porous wood. So after it's all protected, you can get set up, get leather gloves anytime you're rotting. With this particular setup, you're able to actually look in and the cable's gonna drop straight down. Sometimes you do have to go over and catch a T, in which case you have to navigate getting that cable to go down instead of up the vent. Another thing you wanna look for prior to routing is how far you are in relation to the bathroom. There happens to be a bathroom right here next door, so in this particular kitchen sink, we're not gonna have to rod too far to get into the sewer line. Probably 2 or 3 cables at the very most. And then again, certain sink setups are gonna be a little bit different. A lot of cases, you're gonna have to drop the trap to rod from there, remove the arm and rod. This one has the clean out. In situations where you do have the clean out and the sink is backed up, you can actually use a setup like this where you have a threaded piece and maybe a 22-degree fitting, and you can thread this on, and then once it's threaded in, you can actually lightly run water and it will start to back up out of here. So as you're rodding, when the line opens, that water flow typically will recede, and then that's a good indicator that the line is now flowing.